When it comes to replacement parts for your Heil garbage trucks, you might have options. You can cut corners, buy knockoff parts from the mite fitters, and hope the money you save won't come back to bite you. Or you can buy Heil OEM parts from Parts Central and know that the same quality that came installed on your truck from the factory is contained in your parts because they're manufactured on the same production line back at the factory. When it comes to your automated arms, the same recommendation applies. But at Parts Central, we've taken it to the next level. With the FEN-X Arm Remanufacture program, you ship us your tired Python arm, and we'll remanufacture it with brand new quality OEM Heil parts. Our trained craftsmen and women will inspect every inch of your existing arm, looking for excessive wear, cracks, and component failure. Then, they'll completely disassemble the arm and replace all hoses, rebuild or replace all cylinders, and refurbish the valve bank all back to the original OEM specs. Then, we repaint the arm with the same OEM paint and thoroughly inspect it before sending it back to you. All this is done for far less than a new arm and with the brand new Heil OEM warranty, something you can't get from the knockoff brands and their rebuild programs. In a truck down situation, you're paying several dollars per minute for every minute the truck is out of service. So don't chance lowering your productivity or increasing your cost of ownership. Don't settle for a rebuild. Discover the remanufactured difference and contact your local Heil dealer for more information on how a FEN-X remanufactured arm can get you back on the road to productivity and profit.